Hey guys, what's up? In this short video I will teach you step by step how you can trim and cut your video clips in the CapCut video editor, for example on your PC or on your laptop. It is mind-blowingly simple, so let us get started right away. So what you want to do, guys, is add the video clip you would like to trim and cut here to your timeline by drag and dropping it. Now let's say I would like to cut specific parts of that video. So this is how you can do it, guys. Simply move the playhead, let's say to the 2-second mark, let's say, and I would like to cut out the beginning part of the video. So move the playhead, let's say here to this 2-second mark. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click on that button here, split, and simply right click on the first half or the first part of your video and select delete. Or alternatively, guys, simply trim the video by holding your left mouse on the edge of your video clip here to the left and move it to the right to manually cut parts of the video. You can do that for the beginning as well as for the end of the video, but what if you'd like to delete a part in the middle of the video and not from the beginning or the end? Well, the trick is super simple, guys. Simply move the playhead to the mark or to the moment where you'd like to start the cutting, just like that. Click on split here, and after that move your playhead again to the moment or to the mark where you'd like to end the cutting, let's say here, and again right click and select split, or simply click on that icon here, split. And last but not least, right click on the middle part of the video you would like to cut out and select delete. And that's basically it. Super simple, as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.